Good morning, student. This is your science class, and in science, we are continuing the chapter second, the teeth. In this chapter, we have already learned about the milk teeth or primary teeth. Today, we are going to teach about the permanent teeth. So, after the age of 27 months, the milk teeth shed over and it is replaced by a full set of strong teeth or fixed teeth. That teeth are simply known as permanent teeth. जब बच्चे लगभग 27 मंथ्स के हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद से मिल्क टीथ जो है वो 1 बाय 1 करके फॉल ओवर होना शुरू हो जाते हैं, वो झड़ना शुरू होते हैं और उसके बाद उस प्लेस पर लगभग 6 सालों तक जो है वो नए टीथ वहाँ पर अपीयर होना शुरू होता है, आना शुरू हो जाता है और वही टीथ परमानेंट टीथ कहलाते हैं. सो परमानेंट टीथ आर नॉट ऑफ द सेम शेप एंड साइज. दे आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स, नेमली इंसाइजर्स, कैनाइन्स, प्रीमोलार्स एंड मोलार्स. ये परमानेंट टीथ जो होते हैं वो अलग अलग शेप और साइज के होते हैं और उनके शेप और साइज के आधार पर ही उनका नाम रखा जाता है. सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ टीथ आर incisors. Incisors are the 4 front teeth in each jaw are flat and have a sharp straight edge. They are called incisors as they help us to cut food, so they are also called cutting teeth. As you see in this picture, the 4 front teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are incisors. So 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of incisors in our mouth is 4 plus 4. That means 8. So incisors are 8 in numbers. After the incisors, the second type of teeth is canines. On either side of incisors, as you see here and here. So these 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Total 4 teeth are canines. These are pointed tooth. So these teeth are called canines. These teeth help us to tear the pieces of food. That's why canines are also known as tearing teeth. ये canines जो teeth होते हैं ये फूड को फाड़ने में ये हमारी मदद करता है. कुछ ऐसे फूड होते हैं जिसे हम उसको चीड़ करके या फिर उसे फाड़ करके उसे खाते हैं. सो ऐसे फूड के लिए ये कैनाइन्स जो होते हैं, ये इस टाइप का टीथ वो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. सो थर्ड टाइप ऑफ टीथ इज प्रीमोलार्स. Premolars on either sides of the canines in each jaw there are 2 broad teeth which are called premolars. as you see in this picture, beside the canines, these two are called premolars. So 4 in upper jaw, 2 here and 2 here, and 4 in lower jaw, 2 here and 2 here. So 4 plus 4, total 8. So premolars are 8 in numbers. They are 4 in each jaw and 8 in total. Premolars are means of crushing food. क्रशिंग मतलब उसे वो फूड को तोड़ना या फिर उसको फोड़ना. सो एज दे एक्ट लाइक नट क्रैकर्स, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर also called cracking teeth. Premolars are also known as cracking teeth. Now the fourth type of permanent teeth are molars. Molar are the last 3 teeth on each side in each jaw. As you see in this picture, these 3 and these 3. So total in upper jaw there are 6 teeth are molars and 6 in lower jaw, 3 this, 3 this. So total number of molars are 12, 6 upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. So molars are very broad teeth and it uneven surface for grinding the food. That is why they are also called grinding teeth. As you see in tabulated form, summary of the kinds of teeth and their function. As you see, first type of teeth are incisors, which are 8 in infant mouth. Infant means child. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. For adult, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. So total number of incisors for the adult 8 as well as for infant 8. Now the function of incisors are, incisors help us to cut the food. Second is canine. This type of teeth help us to tear the food pieces, and their number in child mouth, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. So total 4. And for the adult, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. This type of teeth is also called tearing teeth because canines help us to tear the food. Now the third is premolars. Premolars are 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw for the child, but for the adult 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So total 8 for the adult. Premolars are also known as cracking teeth because these type of teeth help us to crushing the food. Now the last type, or you can say fourth type of teeth, are molars. These are 4 for the infant, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw, but 6 in upper jaw for the adult and 6 in lower jaw. So for adult the number of molar are 12, but for the child the number of molar are 4. So here total number of teeth for child is 20, but for the adult 32. Molar are also called grinding teeth because they help us for grinding the food. So these are the structure and the function of each kind of tooth. Now after the structure and function of tooth, let us start parts of tooth. As you see in this picture, this is a picture of teeth and there are two parts of teeth. First is the upper part and this is the lower part. The first upper part is called crown and the lower part is called root. Crown of a tooth is that part of tooth which covered with enamel, and usually this part is visible in the mouth. ये हमारे माउथ में ऐसा पार्ट होता है जो हमें दिखता है, यानी कि जो टीथ हम देखते हैं वो टीथ के क्राउन पार्ट को देखते हैं, एंड इट्स कलर इज वाइट. जो वाइट हमें हमारे माउथ में दिखता है वो टीथ का हम क्राउन हिस्से को देखते हैं, एंड जो हम देख नहीं पाते हैं वो रूट कहलाता है, और वो हमारे गम के अंदर होता है, हमारे मसूड़ों के अंदर होता है, एंड द रूट होल्ड द क्राउन. सो द शेप ऑफ क्राउन may have various shape depending upon the type of tooth. As you know, the type of tooth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. There are different shape, so crown may have various shape depending upon the type of tooth. Now the second part of teeth is root. The root of a tooth is the part embedded in jaw. जो हमारे मसूड़ों के अंदर होता है, जो होल्ड किए होता है टूथ को, उसे हम रूट कहते हैं. It anchored the tooth in its bony socket. As you see, it anchors the tooth in its bony socket and is normally not visible. ये टूथ को बॉनी सॉकेट, जो हमारे गम्स में जगह बना होता है, सॉकेट बना होता है, वहीं पर टूथ को फिक्स किए हुए रहता है. एंकर्स मीन्स होल्ड किए हुए रहता है, वो उसे पकड़े रहता है मजबूती से, एंड इट इज नॉट नॉर्मली विजिबल. इसे हम देख नहीं पाते हैं. सो द रूट इज अटैच्ड टू द जॉ बोन बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज फाइबर्स कॉल्ड द प्रियोडोंटल लिगामेंट. और ये रूट जो होते हैं वो अलग अलग तरह के टिश्यूज होते हैं जो कि इस टूथ को होल्ड किए हुए रहते हैं, इससे जुड़े हुए होते हैं, अटैच होते हैं, और उन सभी पतले पतले फाइबर्स को या फिर जो टिश्यू होते हैं उनको हम लोग प्रियोडोंटल लिगामेंट कहते हैं. नाउ a tooth may have one or more root. Normally front teeth, that means incisors and canines, have a single root, while molars can have 2, 3 or more roots, but this varies from individual to individual. जो हमारे टीथ होते हैं उसमें जो फ्रंट टीथ हैं, इंसाइजर्स और कैनाइन्स, उनके सिंगल रूट्स होते हैं, उनके एक ही रूट्स होते हैं। लेकिन जो मोलार्स होते हैं उनके 2 या 3 या फिर इससे भी ज़्यादा रूट्स होते हैं। ये डिपेंड करता है अलग अलग लोगों के टीथ पर, उनके अलग अलग दांतों के ऊपर निर्भर करता है कि उनके टीथ के कितने रूट हैं। एज यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर, incisors and canine are 4 front teeth, incisors 4 front teeth. So front teeth have a single root, as you see in this picture. This is the root, so single root. But premolar and molars have not single root. They have 2, more than 2, depending upon the individuals. So molars can have more than 2 roots. Now the next topic is tooth structure. हमारे दांतों की संरचना कैसी है, हमारा जो टूथ है वो कैसे बना हुआ है। Now human teeth are made up of 4 different types of tissues: pulp, dentin, enamel and cementum. So our teeth are made up of 4 different types. First is pulp, second is dentin, third is enamel and the fourth is cementum. Now discuss one by one. First, the pulp. It is the innermost portion of the tooth and consists of connective tissues, nerves and blood vessels which nourishes the tooth. As you see in this picture, this is the pulp. These are the connective tissues, nerves and blood vessels. ये जो है ब्लड वेसल्स से कनेक्ट होते हैं और हमारे टूथ को ये न्यूट्रिशन देते हैं, उसको जीवित रखते हैं, उसका पोषण करते हैं। पल्प. The pulp has 2 parts. The pulp chamber, which lie in the crown, and the root canal, which is in the root of the tooth. As you see, this is the neck of teeth, and the upper part is crown and the lower part is root. So as you see here, the part from this line, the upper part is called pulp chamber and the lower part of this line is called root canal. The root canal, which is in the root of the tooth, blood vessels and nerves enter the root through a small hole in its tip and extend through the canal into the pulp chamber. यहाँ से ब्लड जो है वो एक पतले नर्व से होकर के ये रूट कैनल से होते हुए ये पल्प में इंटर करता है और फिर यहाँ से ये पूरे टीथ को नरिशिंग करता है, ये पूरे टीथ को पोषण देता है। नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ tooth is dentin. Dentin surrounds the pulp, a hard yellow substance. It makes up most of the tooth and is as hard as bone. It's the dentin that gives teeth their yellowish tint. ये जो पार्ट येलो पार्ट दिख रहा है इनेमल के जस्ट अंदर, इनेमल के नीचे का जो पार्ट होता है जो पीले गहरे कलर का है, दिस वन इज डेंटिन। नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट इज इनेमल. It is the hardest tissue in the body. Enamel is the hardest tissue in the body and covers the dentin and forms the outermost layer of the crown. ये जो क्राउन है इसके जो पार्ट होते हैं जो वाइट दिखता है, this is the enamel. It enable the tooth to withstand the pressure of chewing and protects it from harmful bacteria and changes in temperature from hot and cold foods. Both the dentin and pulp extend into the root. So enamel are the hardest tissue in the body and enamel is just above of the dentin. ये dentin के जस्ट ऊपर होता है और ये बैक्टीरिया से बचाता है हमें, और ये हॉट कोल्ड फूड जो भी हम लोग खाते हैं उससे हमारे टीथ को बचाता है. सो लास्ट वन इज द cementum. A layer of cementum covers the outside of the root under the gum line and hold the tooth in place within the jawbone. Cementum is also as hard as bone. So cementum covers the root of the teeth. This is the cementum and cover the outside of the root under the gum and it hold the tooth. ये सीमेंटम जो होते हैं वो टूथ को अपनी जगह पर पकड़े रहते हैं, अपनी जगह पर फिक्स रखते हैं. और सीमेंटम ऑल्सो एज अ हार्ड बोन, ये एक बोन की तरह होता है जो काफी मजबूत होता है. So my dear student, for today it is enough. Now your homework is to draw this table in your homework copy and memorize the structure and function of different type of teeth. So this table is important and make in your homework copy. This is your homework, and the second homework is draw the structure of tooth and practice more and more practice to tooth structure and label their different parts. And in next video we will learn about the caring of teeth and what are the food important for healthy teeth. So for today this is enough. Thank you.